What's up, Cybertruck fans? This is Ellie from T-sportline, and yes, I have another wrapped Cybertruck to share with you today. Something we've never done before. I love keeping it fresh, and more than anything, my team and I love sharing it with you. Let's jump right into it and talk about this Nuys Tech gloss slate gray wrapped Cybertruck. This color, I think we can all agree, is really appropriate for the Cybertruck. It's very cyber-esque. It looks super cool. It's got a little bit of a military appeal. It plays on that stainless steel that we obviously got rid of. And this SuperGloss film just lays up beautiful. I think it's very appropriate and it's fun. We've never done it before. And I think this is going to be a favorite amongst a lot of people. Now, getting back to some of the other things we did on this is a Foundation Series Cybertruck. And when you wrap a Cybertruck, you actually wrap over the Foundation Series badging. They are in 3 locations, the front 2 fenders and the rear tailgate. So what we do is we reapply Foundation Series badging in those locations, available in 3 different colors, to go ahead and tie in with the wrap. So we obviously had to do that, can't get rid of that badging. And then changing the wheels on Cybertruck has become increasingly popular. And it's mainly due to the fact that either A, you don't like the aero covers if you got your Cybertruck delivered with them, because as we all know now, the aero covers are actually on hold and we don't know what's going to happen. The wheels that come with the truck now, when you take delivery, are kind of unfinished. They've got a big hole in the center. There's no center cap that really fits it properly. The lug nuts are exposed. It's just not cool. But I'll tell you what is cool, and that is our brand new 22-inch CT7 fully forged wheels. Fully forged, stronger and lighter than a cast wheel, which Tesla uses, and definitely a new, fresher look. These wheels are very cyber-esque, and I think they look really cool on the Cybertruck. These are 22s, so the truck comes with 20-inch. You cannot go ahead and put a 22-inch wheel on a 20-inch tire, obviously, so you'll need to purchase a wheel and tire package. We do offer those, and we recommend the Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires. Tire sizes 285, 55, 22. It's the perfect fit for the Cybertruck and a perfect fit for our fully forged wheels. These wheels actually accept the Tesla original mounting hardware, the lug nuts, the TPMS sensors. Bolts right on. No extra hardware needed when you go up to 22s, or any of our wheels for that sake. So as I'm just kind of walking around, admiring how beautiful this truck is, I'm happy to say that my team and I are very proud of it. The customer's picking it up today. It's a beautiful day in Los Angeles, California. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have a lot of Cybertruck content coming your way soon.